Oo, malamig sa mata. Kunti lang talaga makikita mo dito na nakatambay. Pero ngayon, because it's summer, a lot of kids in the park, which is in the side of the play, the kids section, the football section, volleyball section. I'll show you later. And you will find those kids nowadays, they are on camping in the park, something like that. Dito kasi ang camping sa kanila, mag-start ka ng 8 o'clock in the morning until 5. Kasi ang mga parents, they are working. So nobody will take care of them in the house. So they need to, the parents need them to enroll sa mga camping. May mga activities yan sila. Gaya ng sari-sari, nagdo-drawing rin sila dun sa dine-in area, dun sa may mga tables doon. May mga drawing rin sila diyan. May mga activities sila para lang hindi sila kasi hindi mo pwedeng iwanan ng mga bata sa bahay. Hindi mo rin pwedeng iwanan sa kapitbahay yung mga anak mo kasi halos wala ring tao sa mga kapitbahay. Mostly people are working. So, wala kang makikitang tambayers dito. Nakatulad ko ngayon kasi galing rin ako ng night. I'll be working again tonight. So, ayun. Masarap sa pakiramdam na nandito ka sa ganitong lugar. Tsaka minsan may mga dog walkers din, pero bihira. Makikita mo maraming tao dito pag Friday evening, Saturday, Sunday, ganun. Pero ngayon, hindi masyado kasi Tuesday, people are busy working. Kahit pumunta ka sa mga stores, it's less people. But in the afternoon, around 3:30 until 9 o'clock, makikita mo marami ng mga tao. Maraming taong bumibili, ganun. But then in the morning, it's a lot less. Because people are rushing to work, they'll come back like 3 o'clock, 3:30 or 4, something like that. So you will see a lot of people working around. But here, yeah, no. So this is only an update, guys. And thank you so much for all the support. Ang battery ko ay paubos na. Ikot ko kaya pakita ko lang sa inyo yung sa malapit lang dito. Wala akong stabilizer, baka pulutin nilang lata ko. Ayan, maluagyan siya hanggang dun. Tapos meron dyan yung mga wild raspberries. I used to walk around and pick some raspberry para ka lang nasa Pilipinas, nakikipitas din. Pero dito kasi dahil wild, dyan sa tagiliran, mga gilid-gilid, meron yan sila dyan. Pero here, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung small part, ha? Hindi yung buong part. May basketball court din dyan. So, you can see. I don't have stabilizer. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't intend to do my live stream today because I don't feel like. Ayan, nakita nyo? Yan. Yung mga bata doon nagpo-football, wala na. Nag-break na sila. Tapos, ayan, sa part na yan, andyan yung basketball court. Andyan yung sa part ng kids section. Pero makikita nyo yung part ng forest, mas maluag siya. Ayan, sa part ng forest. Hanggang dun yan, sa bandaron. So, ayan. Napakita ko sa inyo yung kunting part ng park na maganda. So, may mga bulaklak din dito. Ayan. So, paano guys? Galit-galit na muna tayo. Miss Kay, thank you so much. Next week, we're going away for a 1-week vacation. I hope I could do some videos and show you guys kung ano man yung napasyalan namin. Kung may time, alam nyo naman, minsan ang regret ko kasi pag lumalabas ako na mamasyal, I just want to feel that I'm on my vacation. I want to get rid of my phone taking videos. But then after my vacation, I feel so bad. I said, why I didn't do some videos? When I was in Boracay, there's a lot of places there where I can take videos, but I don't know.